This dictation material has been obtained from official para 23 and unseen from newspaper. It has been observed that the number of such cases referred to this department is on the increase, and it is always claimed that the responsibility for the change cannot be fixed full stop. In order to avoid belated reference, it has been decided that all heads of offices who have the custody of service books, service rolls, must record a certificate in the first week of January every year in every service book to the effect that they have personally examined the service book, service roll, and have found these in order full stop. Such certificates should be pasted in the service book, service rolls from the last page onwards full stop. A head of office not employing with these instructions should be reported against the failure by his successor to the next higher authority for appropriate action full stop. I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter dated the 21st October 1971, in which a firm policy was laid down that the domicile declared by a person at the time of entry into service will be treated a final throughout his service career, and no subsequent change would be recognized or reflected in his service record full stop. These instructions may apply to serving government departments, but there is no restriction on candidates applying for different jobs full stop. Unseen para. Head of the Joint Investigation Team has said that the Joint Investigation Team report on references against ousted Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and his family members is connected with each other and cannot be read out separately full stop. He stated this while recording his statement before the Accountability Court in the Properties Reference on Thursday full stop. When accountability judge asked to only refer to the documents from the Joint Investigation Team report which were relevant to the properties reference, he said it was not possible because the whole matter was connected, and so was the Joint Investigation Team report, and it could not be seen in parts full stop. In October last year, the former Prime Minister had requested the Accountability Court to club all the references since these were based on the Joint Investigation Team report full stop. But when the trial court turned down his request, he challenged the decision in the Islamabad High Court full stop. National Accountability Bureau Deputy Prosecutor General had then claimed that the Joint Investigation Team report dealt with the references separately full stop. On Thursday, the accountability judge expressed displeasure over the attitude of Deputy Prosecutor General and left the courtroom in anger full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.